are basically alpha.
So that's the kind of import structure we need to work on to be able to extract after open enrollment. What is everybody's new numbers? We'll pop them right in there. The system will.
Well, and so would it, so right now what I loaded for those 66 guys, so when I set those fringes, the deductions and liability set up, I did old and new, and I just did the same rate.
So do me a favor. Let's pop in here. Minimize this in case we want to pop back in here. Minimize this. PR deduction or craft class, please. Now, let's pull them up both. So
Craft Master Fund?
Yep, let's go Craft Master. So what she's talking about here is now effective date is 7/1 because that's what she kind of was thinking was the last.
That was the last
66.
update for 66, yes.
Do they got a new one
They'll have a
coming
new one,
1/1?
12/1, yes.
Okay, so basically we're going to leave that there. However, when
So
we go
if you
to deduction liabilities, and then come down here, let's grab the craft class, sitting right here. So in each of these, if I go to deductions and liabilities on here, there's old. If you click right here, I got and widen that out, and you're missing the little new column. Old and new, old and new. So using that new date right there,
So the master.
she can prep all of the new rates if she gets the contract from the
Okay.
hall.
And just
Then
change
she's going to
the
put
date
1/1/18 on the
On the
info
info
tab
tab.
of the new thing.
for the new rate.
If
Okay.
then, and now, can you tell me what the rule is? The system, seriously, is smart enough to know. If the week covered, let's say December 28, 29, 30, 31 was in the prior one, and the first, and the thing was effective the first, it's smart enough not only to do the pay rate.
So the new pay rate, but also the new Bennett's. Good.
Does that
Because
make sense?
yes.
And
We've had to literally.
within the same payroll, a lot of people have to do two checks.
We do.
A lot of systems don't know to handle
Yeah.
this stuff. So you seriously have to do two checks in the same payroll to adhere to two different sets of rules.
Yeah, yeah.
But since Vista has this old, new, for not only the deductions and liabilities, but the pay rates, that's a powerful little
So now-
cutoff date right
So now
there.
here's my question. So with the old and the new, so we have these ones in, we'll have a new rate for 1/1. So then we'll have another new rate 6/30, or excuse me, 6/1/18. When I'm updating these, can I take and just copy what is showing as the new rate
Do
over
that.
to the old rate, or
Go
how
to
does that
File.
go about?
Move
Yes.
the system. So some point in time in the future, does that make any sense?
Yes.
After the dust settles
After,
from that
then-
prior
then I
thing, you
can
don't need to know those rates anymore. It will move new to old, so it'll be the same again.
And technically,
Does that make sense? And it'll be
yes.
waiting for you for a new one over there when that contract
so
comes
when I
into play.
get technically when I get the new rate, say mid-May, I could come in here, hit that button, it would move everything over, and then I'd have, okay,
Specific to that union, and then, yeah, exactly, because you can
Okay.
control that on a union by union basis.
okay. I
That's
don't
nice.
mean to like jump out again, but I
No.
gotta get my, keep off.
No, you're doing good.
No, to actually transmit it.
So that's kind of her homework, to kind of start thinking, how am I going, once I get my new contract for all these new unions, she knows what she's got to do in Maxwell. For us to do some parallel testing, this is where she'll be pumping in. And if it doesn't change, you're in good shape. But all the time, those new union things, and they change these by a nickel or a dime, this by 50 cents, and you're like, oh, geez. I'm going to go in there, tweak it, make it be up to date. Okay. Okay, so that'll get all the employees' deductions and liabilities up to speed, all the union deductions and liabilities